Astro Bouncer is a game from Holy Fire Games and can be played on the gazpo.io site. In Astro Bouncer, you have to constantly keep moving your astronaut around using his jetpack. There are many dangers to avoid in your environment as you move between wall to wall. You will need to sharpen your reflexes as you make progress, as the game speed slowly increases over time. The controls in Astro Bouncer are really easy. You just click the left mouse button each time you want to fire the astronaut's jetpack to jump. You will need to time your jetpack jumps so you can bounce safely off a clear patch on the walls. Many of the prickly creatures will randomly emerge in different configurations on either of the walls for you to navigate around. You will lose a life every time you touch one of them. You have 3 lives at the start of the game, and you can see your remaining lives shown in the top left of the screen. You cannot drop too low and touch the floor area either. It is covered in the remains of the old prickly creatures that will harm you. The last major hazard to worry about is that you will randomly see a falling prickly creature that you will have to find a way around and avoid them. You can see your score in the top middle of the screen. You gain points for each second you are alive. You can also score points by collecting the falling stars. The smaller stars are worth 1 point each, while the bigger stars reward you with 5 points. You will find it useful to experiment with fast groups of clicks to climb quickly and maneuver about. Occasionally you will see a falling 1-up bonus disc, which will give you a free life if you are quick enough to catch it. Astro Bouncer is a relatively short, fast and fun-filled game that will really test your reflexes. It's bound to get the excitement levels up and leave you wanting to play it more. What would your high score be? Enjoy.